Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you Alliant Power's contamination kit for the 2020 to 23 Duramax L5P engines. Contamination kits are one of the biggest selling products we have here at Thoroughbred Diesel for any of the emissions equipped common rail light duty trucks out there. So this is Alliant Power's contamination kit for the 2020 to 2023 L5P Duramax engines. Now, you know, these kits, Adam and I were talking through this and the different year breaks in these. I think it's a good idea for us to do these videos, like all the part number or all the parts of these kits out on the table, so you can actually go in and do a stop screen on the videos and check and see what's coming with the parts, as well as I'm going to talk through it so you've got some knowledge about what you're getting here, because this is an expensive kit. Hopefully, and you know, if you're watching this right now, I hope that you haven't had a failure. You're just watching it because you're just studying up about the truck that you own. But if you unfortunately have had this failure, know that there are products and kits like this out there on the market that are going to be cost saving to you with OE quality parts that will get your truck up and back on the road. So, all right, so the 20 to 23 L5P kit, let's talk about what comes in the kit. First off, the injection pump, or the HP4 pump in these trucks, this is a remanufactured unit that comes in the kit from Alliant Power. You also get the genuine Denso injectors, all 8 of those that come in the kit, as well as the high pressure lines that supply fuel to them, fuel tubes as they're being called in this day and age. Now you have both the driver's side and the passenger side fuel rails on the L5P here. Comes with the secondary regulator, I like to call it DRV, and then the fuel pressure sensor in the other one. So those are in the rails ready to go. You get your low side lines. You get what high side lines that you're going to need that are balance lines and whatnot. You're going to get the return lines that come inside of the kit. You're also going to get your 9th injector set up here as well. You're going to get your injector hold down bolts. You're going to get a new fuel filter in the kit. You're going to get a new fuel cooler in the kit, and then any other ancillary gaskets that you might need to do this job. Now, the one thing that this kit does not come with, and this is very important to note, is this kit does not come with the lift pump. If you have had a fuel contamination of any kind here, be it water intrusion, you put DEF in your tank, you had an HP4 that blew up, whatever that the failure is, you need to make sure that you also change out the lift pump. We have those on our website. We've got those ready to go for you. But this kit is, other than the lift pump, is a one-stop shop. Now, this kit, Alliant Power is now offering this kit with a 3-year manufacturer warranty as well, which gives you the peace of mind that's really good going into a job like this when you've already had a really bad failure that's kind of got you rattled, you know, and wondering what you're going to do. But again, no fear, we have OE quality products for you to put in your truck if you've had this type of a failure, and it is going to be, again, OE quality, priced competitively, and is going to get you back up and on the road. So if you have any questions about Alliant Power contamination kits or any L5P questions, just give us a call, and we appreciate you watching.